Monterey, California, 3 days 2 nights travel guide. Monterey, California, 3 days 2 nights travel guide. Description of Monterey, California. Monterey is a beautiful coastal city in California. It is famous for its stunning ocean views and rich marine life. The city has a charming downtown and historic sites. You can enjoy fresh seafood and visit world-class aquariums. The scenery includes rugged cliffs, sandy beaches, and scenic drives. Open times and days. Most attractions open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily. Restaurants usually open from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. The Monterey Bay Aquarium is open every day except December 25th. Parks and outdoor spaces are accessible at all hours but best during daylight. Precautions. Book tickets for popular spots like the aquarium in advance. Wear comfortable shoes, some walking trails can be steep. Bring layers as the weather can change quickly near the coast. Follow local guidelines and respect wildlife habitats. Avoid leaving food unattended outdoors to keep animals safe. Must-visit places. Monterey Bay Aquarium, world famous for marine exhibits. Cannery Row, historic street with shops, restaurants, and galleries. 17-mile drive, scenic coastal route with stunning views. Pacific Grove, quaint town nearby with beautiful beaches and parks. Point Lobos State Natural Reserve, great for hiking and wildlife spotting. Old Fisherman's Wharf, perfect for fresh seafood and boat tours. Things to do. Visit the aquarium early to avoid crowds. Take a whale watching tour from the harbor. Bike along the Monterey Bay Coastal Trail. Explore tide pools at low tide for sea creatures. Enjoy kayaking or paddleboarding in calm waters. Attend local events or farmers markets if available. Things not to do. Don't feed or disturb wildlife. Avoid parking in restricted areas, fines are common. Don't ignore weather warnings or ocean safety signs. Refrain from littering, keep the environment clean. Avoid noisy behavior near residential or nature areas. Insider tips. Visit the aquarium during weekday mornings for less crowd. Stop at Lovers Point Park for picnic and sunset views. Try a clam chowder bread bowl at Fish Hopper Restaurant on Cannery Row. Book whale watching tours in advance, especially in peak season, spring-fall. Use local bike rentals to explore the coastline affordably. Possible deals. Check online for combined tickets to aquarium and whale tours. Look for midweek hotel discounts if traveling outside weekends. Many restaurants offer lunch specials or happy hours. Visit local visitor centers for coupons and brochures. Best time to visit. Late spring, May-June, and early fall, September-October, offer mild weather and smaller crowds. Summer is popular but can be crowded and pricier. Winter is quieter but cooler and sometimes rainy. Affordable places to eat nearby. Lulu's Griddle in the middle, great breakfast with ocean views. El Cantaro Vegan Mexican Restaurant, tasty plant-based Mexican food. Alvarado Street Brewery, casual spot with good craft beers and pub food. Peter B's Brew Pub, affordable seafood and American dishes on Cannery Row. Taqueria Zarapi, budget-friendly Mexican food loved by locals. We built a digital business to create ongoing income so we can follow our dreams and live an ideal life. If you are looking to start your own digital business, visit newbeginning.com and find out more.